Hey Tech Lovers, welcome back to another fresh episode of Mobile Funda. And today's funda is about how to enable the transparent volume control layout or remove the gray volume control layout on Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G or even other supported devices without root and without using any third-party apps. So if you are using one of these devices and want to try out this feature, then this video is going to be super helpful for you. So make sure to watch till the end. And hey, if this video helps you out, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more such interesting tips and tricks. Now, talking about the transparent volume control layout, then this normally available on Android 16 based HyperOS 3.0 devices, especially on flagship or the upper mid-range phone. But in this video, I am going to show you how to enable it on our Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G or Poco X6 5G using a simple trick. By the way, I have been using this on my Note 13 Pro 5G for the past 2 days, and I can definitely say that control center feels a bit smoother. Not a huge difference, but you can feel it while swiping. Just one thing to remember, that this only works on the default stock control center. So if you are using any theme or third-party control center, then this feature won't work. Also, one important note, if your device is running Android 14 with HyperOS 1.0 or 2.0, then chances are it might not work. So try it out at your own risk. But if you are already on Android 15 or above, then go ahead and test it. And do let me know in the comments below if it works for your phone and which model you are using. Alright, now let's talk about how to apply it. First, you will need to download a file. Basically, it's a service plugin APK from the pinned comment below this video. After downloading, open your file manager, mainly stock file manager, it would be better, and install the file. But before installing, make sure to check your current service plugin version. Then only update if the file you are installing is a newer version than the one you already have. Once installed, it's possible that your control center might crash. This also usually happens to me on my Note 13 Pro 5G. But don't panic, just restart your phone. After the restart, the control center might feel a bit laggy for the first few minutes. But after 3 to 5 minutes, everything becomes smooth and stable. And now you will have the transparent volume control layout working on your device. So that was today's video. I hope you found it useful. If yes, then drop a like, and you haven't already subscribed to the channel, then subscribe before you leave. I will see you in the next video with another cool funda. Till then, keep exploring. Jai Hind.